Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now let's take a look at the Bitcoin market as usual, guys. So you can see the setup that we discussed on Monday has worked perfect. So market even has exceeded our upside target. So we talked about 106 and market has reached 108 almost. So the pattern on the daily chart is triple to buy also worked nice. With this inside of this flag consolidation, we've got this strong upward action. Trend turns bullish once again. What important nuances currently exist in the market? First of all, on a daily chart, you could see that we have the divergence. And divergence suggests the minimum target of the divergence is the similar as on free drive pattern. So it's the top between the points of the divergence. So by divergence itself, market has to touch an area around 111 approximately, 110, 111, just to reach of these middle points between the two values of the divergence. So that's what we have on the daily. On the intraday charts, if you take a look at the 4-time frame chart, here you can see the strong trend line. We do not have here some specific extensions or something, but we have the resistance that stands around 109.30, but we could arguably, roughly said that's around 110 area as well. So the reaching of this level. On the hourly chart, here's actually our setup. Hand shorts has been formed. 100 level, 1 area worked perfect for a possible upward action. You could see the pace of the upward action is slowing. So why? One of the reasons might be oversold on the dollar. And that's the reason why I do not want to set some more extended targets. Based on the hourly chart, since the target of the hand shorts already is done, because it was our actually 106 area. Here we have ability to set the next target based on the butterfly shape. And it stands at 1618 extension of the whole swing of the butterfly to the upside, which is 112. So it seems the 110, 112 is an area that potentially market could try to test based on overall performance, because Bitcoin itself is not at overbought. It doesn't have any significant resistance levels until this area, so this relatively free space. But unfortunately, the strong oversold of the dollar index makes some pressure on the Bitcoin as well. So the downside action on dollar is slowing. That explains this type of action here after this one, and tells that in the current circumstances, whether to not set some too extended targets. So if you still hold position, stay focused on the 109.50 maybe, to not miss the opportunity to grab the result. Later, once this target will be reached and market will climb here, next logical suggestion is a moderate pullback. I do not know whether we will get here reverse head and shoulders maybe inside of the flag, but the pullback should happen, and that particular pullback we will try to use for a new long entry. But for now, I wouldn't consider taking the new long positions due to all these reasons that we just have discussed.